of a curve on the front. This isn't a perfect curve, it's just a curve that I came up with for a different project, but I think that will be perfect for that. This is just a straight cut T-flute bit in the router with a template guide in the base plate. I'll cut down to 20, maybe 25 mil, then take the rest off with the bandsaw and clean the cut up with the template guided bit. That's the top pretty much done. I've sanded it all to 180 off camera just to save you the pain of watching the sanding. I've still got the micro bevel to do, but now I'm going to turn my attention to the legs. So once again, an off cut of ash to match the ash on the tabletop, and I'm going to run it down on the table saw to 26 mil and then finish it to 25. So for the joinery on the legs, I'm going with the most basic, the most rudimentary of joinery, just a step up from a butt joint. I'm going to use dowels. I'm going to put a 10-degree splay on the legs to add a little bit of stability. Glue them together. Once the glue's dried, I'm going to drill a couple of dowel holes in each end in a contrasting colour. I'm going to go with a nice piece of walnut. And Muppet Boy here forgot to put the bevel on the top and the underside before he put the legs on. So now it's going to be a little bit more awkward to do. So after reading the instructions, it says apply the product sparingly. Don't over apply it. Any excess that's left on it, you should remove. And allow it to dry naturally. Drying time on the tin, based on ambient temperature, blah, 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 4 hours. And then give it a light sand and another coat if you feel it needs it. That brings out the grain. Beautiful. This is the satin finish version. So I wanted ever such a slight sheen on it. It's not going to be subject to an awful lot of wear, apart from the odd cup of coffee going on it. Let me turn it so you can see. Looks beautiful.